Ever wondered how to blend the charm of traditional Southern architecture with modern construction techniques? Well, wonder no more. Today, we've embarked on a captivating journey into the construction of a quintessential Southern USA residence. The project is well underway, starting with a signature feature of Southern homes, a wraparound porch. The construction team has been meticulous in their attention to detail, ensuring sturdy columns that echo the grandeur of classic Southern plantation homes. Stepping inside, we've noticed the spacious interiors and high ceilings, distinctive of Southern homes. An open floor plan is being implemented to allow plenty of natural light and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The kitchen, being the heart of the home, is designed to accommodate large family gatherings and friendly entertainments. Above, the roof is constructed with durability in mind, using materials designed to withstand the occasional southern storms. It's crucial to consider weather resistance due to the region's climate. Outside, the landscaping team is preparing for a beautiful garden, featuring indigenous plants and flowers that thrive in the southern climate. A well-landscaped yard is a southern tradition, adding to the charm of the home. In summary, the construction of this Southern USA residence is progressing wonderfully, skillfully blending classic charm with modern functionality. We've taken a sneak peek into the construction process, from the porch to the roof, the interior to the landscaping, appreciating the intricate blend of tradition and modernity. Remember, architecture isn't just about building structures. It's about creating homes and spaces that resonate with the people who live in them. So stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this and other exciting projects. Until next time, keep building dreams.